Hi friend, today I am going to making another video. You can say that this is my review video on previous videos. This is the Nifty chart. You just all can see. There's a Nifty fall from the prolonged down very sharply here and get at support at 75,000. Get the 7,500 getting a support, and from that Nifty now taking a intermediate and short-term support and rise from that level to the 10,000. Near about 10,000, its figure is 9829, near about 9829, and then again fall at 8662 area, 8812 area, and create another top previous week at near about 10,100. So at the 7,500 level, and when from this rise and then a fall in this area, another rising from here. That at that time I told to all of you that in my previous video, that make me as feeling that Nifty can take this support, and 7,500 is maybe a short-term bottom creating, and these things happen, and market Nifty rise from here to at 9,800 above level, and then a sharp fall, and again, and another video I am getting when I this from this area, when this fall, I am creating another video at that time that Nifty may take it. I giving that 3 support area at a Nifty at a 9,800 to 9,900 level, and then 8,400 to 8,600 level, and 8100. At that time I told you that if Nifty break the 8,100 level, may not be broken, whatever the worst situation come. And these things happen. Nifty take the first support level at 8,800 level and rise from that level. And you can see this is the 50 DMA moving average, and this is the 20 DMA moving average, and this is the crossover is happen here, and the Nifty you can also see this is Nifty creating trying to creating a higher top and higher bottom at this moment. So if that happen and create the trend reversal is maybe established here, and if anytime the trend reversal happen and establish, that may not be broken so easily. So we can say that Nifty can now the upper momentum rising may arrive, and there is a 200 DMA at 10,997 may try to test this level. Sooner or later, so we can say at this moment that Nifty is in a strong position, and try to create a bullish reversal at this moment. Hope we can get a bullishness in we can see a bullishness in Nifty in near terms also. And another thing, I am creating another video on Lupin. And this is the Lupin chart. I give it all that Lupin may be bullish at this level. At around 850 levels I am making in this video. I am told to all of you that if it retrace, it may come at 800 levels and 750 levels. I told to all of you that from that level it may bullish near towards 950 to 1000 level, 980 to 1000 levels, and you all can see that it not retrace too much at 809. Maybe it's low after my video making. It retrace at 809, and from that level its high creates 923 levels, and still now I'm thinking about 950 and next levels 950 to 98, then 980 and 1000 levels may come. This is my two charts. I am showing you to all of you that two charts. This is the review chart of my previous videos. about a Nifty chart and about this Lupin chart. Hope you all enjoy my videos. Those are the educational purpose. Please look after my previous videos and look this video, then you understand the differences and to understand the chart reading also, and what I am wants to trying to saying, that you can, I think you all of you can understand, and all of you also benefited from my videos. Thanking you all of my friends. Hope you all enjoying my videos and learn from my videos too. And if you want to trade, please discuss with your financial advisor anyway. And please, if you all like my videos, please subscribe to get the next videos, and share with all of your friends who are try to come in the stock market and benefited from the stock market. Hopefully they also like my videos and learn from my videos. Thanking you.